This is the story of an old laptop, a relic from another era, a Windows Vista license sticker faded and peeling. It was about 20 years old, a machine long forgotten by time. I asked the customer the question that weighed on my mind. Is it really worth fixing something so old? His answer was simple, and it struck me. It belongs to my mom, he said. She's been sad ever since it stopped working. And just like that, this wasn't about circuits or components anymore. It was about a mother's connection to a piece of her past. I couldn't say no. I checked the charger first. 20 volts was present. But when I tested the power button, silence, no 3.3 volts. A sinking feeling crept in. Could it be a shorted chipset? If so, this battle might already be lost. But hope is a stubborn thing. With the motherboard laid bare, I tested each coil for resistance. Normal. Each one was normal. I pored over the schematics, searching for the heart of the 3.3 volt and 5 volt rails. The Max 8734 chip, the lifeblood of this system. 20 volts in, 3.3 volts and 5 volts LDO out. Testing the resistance on the pinouts, the 5 volt rail was shorted. It was time for drastic measures. I set my bench power supply to 1 volt at 2 amps and injected voltage into that 5 volt rail. Then through the lens of my thermal camera, I saw it. A chip on the other side of the board heating up. The culprit revealed. The G709, a thermal monitoring chip, silent and broken. It was the leak, the short, the villain in the story. With a steady hand and a little borrowed life from another board, I replaced the G709. It was a battle of precision, heat, flux, and faith. With the laptop fully reassembled, I pressed the power button. And then, a spark of life, the 3.3 volts and 5 volt rails restored, the silent laptop no longer silent. It wasn't just a repair, it was a promise kept, a son's gift to his mother, and for me, a reminder that behind every broken machine, there's a story waiting to be fixed. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.